Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution VII. Tire, wheel, automotive design, yellow, transport, vehicle, window, land vehicle, rim, car, Pinterest. The Lancer Evolution VII was based on the new, larger Lancer Sedan for 2001. The Evo 7 is based on the new Lancer sedan platform, but looks essentially like the previous version, the Evo VIII, wrote Peter Lyon for CD. The huge bumper-mounted spotlights are gone. The edges have been rounded a bit, and the overall package is a little larger than before, but the Evo 7 still has the same compact technolook that defines Japanese rally cars. But don't let the compact car looks fool you. On the road, you can expect something quite incredible. The 7's power remains the same as that of the current Evo VI Tommy McKinnon edition, but torque is now to 180 pound-feet at 3,200 revolutions per minute, up 7. The 7's technological load included active yaw control, sport-oriented ABS, a front helical limited slip differential, an active center diff, electronic brake force distribution, and massive Brembo brake discs. It may have shared some body panels with the pokey Lancer, but it was a high-tech powerhouse under its bulging skin. Evo 7 as movie and video game star. Tire, wheel, window, vehicle, automotive design, land vehicle, motorsport, car, plane, rallying, Pinterest, NBC Universal. In 2003, Universal Pictures released Too Fast to Furious, the second film in the ongoing, insanely popular Fast and Furious series. And with some product placement help from Mitsubishi, the Evo 7 got screen time as one of the primary rides for Brian O'Connor, played by Paul Walker. The Evo was now firmly established as a performance car icon at a time when the sport compact craze was cresting. Prior to the film, the wildly successful third installment in the Gran Turismo game franchise was released in 2001. It included no fewer than 10 Evo iterations and created legions of fans who practically demanded the car appear in American dealerships. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution VIII. Automotive design, vehicle, automotive lighting, hood, car, motorsport, headlamp, racing, bumper, auto racing, Pinterest. David Deworst. By 2003, Mitsubishi was finally ready to bring the Lancer Evolution to America. Mitsubishi introduced the Evolution to this country at the Los Angeles Auto Show last January, wrote a prepubescent Dan Pund in a June 2003 comparison test of the Evo 8 and the Subaru WRX STI. The company basked in the adoring glow of the Evo's 44 HP advantage over the WRX for all of 1 week. Then Subaru dropped its surprise 300 HP bomb on the awestruck at the Detroit show days later in January in the form of the STI model for the company's in-house tuner, Subaru Technica International. One Mitsubishi official was seen seizing his crotch in mock pain over the blow dealt by Subaru. The still 271 horsepower Evo 8 defeated the WRX STI in that comparison test, and it impressed in almost every way. Its transverse mounted to 0.0-liter DOHC inline four is turbocharged to within an inch of its life with a maximum of 19.5 pounds of boost, Pund explained. Consequently, its power delivery is, at best, uneven. At low speed, there's a 2-second gap between throttle application and full turbo boost. Then the engine virtually explodes with power, the turbo hissing in sinister fashion. Praise came for its brilliant steering, telepathic handling, and huge rear wing that was actually kind of cool. While criticizing some elements of the chintzy interior, the front Recaro seats were well appreciated. As with virtually every other aspect of the car, Mitsubishi spent its money where it counts most, on the driving experience. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution VIII MR. Tire, automotive design, vehicle, land vehicle, car, automotive mirror, hood, automotive parking light, automotive lighting, fender, Pinterest. Aaron Kiley. With the Evo 8 an immediate hit in America, Mitsubishi began filling its dealerships with slight variations on the theme. Among them was the 2005 Lancer Evolution VIII MR. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution MIEV concept, tire, wheel, automotive design, vehicle, automotive tire, alloy wheel, rim, hood, automotive lighting, car, Pinterest. During auto shows in 2005, Mitsubishi showed the Lancer Evolution MIEV with 4 electric motors, 1 for each wheel, and a battery pack replacing the internal combustion engine. So far, Nothing has come of this, although the company has recently focused much of its attention on hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and electric vehicles, which suggests that if the Evo were to return, it would be electrified in some way. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution IX. Tire, wheel, automotive design, automotive tire, alloy wheel, vehicle, automotive wheel system, land vehicle, rim, spoke, Pinterest. The Evolution IX made its debut at the New York Auto Show in April 2005. Exterior changes include new front and rear bumpers, with the former sporting two oval openings that aid the intercooler. An available gurney flap, a thin wing extension that increases downforce to the rear for the rear airfoil, and new inky aluminum wheels that are lighter by 3.3 pounds each, we reported. In the cockpit, subtle modifications include aluminum pedals, except in the RS, a faux carbon fiber panel on the dash, and Recaro seats covered in pseudo-suede and leather. Under the IX's aluminum hood resides the familiar for G6 3-turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine, which for 06 has received MIEV variable valve timing, a larger turbo impeller housing, new piston oil rings, and a stouter nylon reinforced timing belt. The result is 10 more horsepower up to 286 and 3 additional pound-feet of torque, now at 289. So, in summary, the Evo X was a slightly updated Evo VIII. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution IX Wagon, tire, wheel, mode of transport, automotive design, automotive mirror, vehicle, transport, land vehicle, infrastructure, car, Pinterest. Yes, it's true. During the production run of the Evolution X, a couple of thousand were constructed using the Lancer Sportback wagon body. None were exported outside of Japan. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution GUS Pinterest. Yoshitada Moro, a car and driver. The Lancer Evolution X's arrival in 2008 marked the first fully all-new Evo since the first one. The Evo X is less communicative, larger, heavier, and slower compared with the previous Evo. It's the inevitable trade-off that occurs when a car strives for more refinement. The steering, for one, no longer has that high-tension wire responsiveness that made the old car such fun, wrote Michael Austin for CLD. If you're still with us, you'll be glad to know that the Evo X drives like nothing else in the world. You simply point the car where you want to go, and the various elements of the all-wheel drive system sort out how to make it happen. Mitsubishi finally replaced the venerable for G6 3T engine with a new 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder powerplant codenamed for B11, with its aluminum block and variable valve timing. It knocked out an easy 295 horsepower and 300 pounds-ft of torque. The GSR model still used a 5-speed manual transmission, while the MR got a new 6-speed dual-clutch sequential automatic. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X. Automotive design, automotive tire, vehicle, winter, land vehicle, headlamp, automotive lighting, car, freezing, fender, Pinterest, Mark Urbano. By the time Seat D was wrapping up its long-term test of a 2008 Evo MR, it was apparent that the Evo was getting expensive and had lost some of its mesmerizing raw edge. When our long-term 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution MR arrived in July 2008, we were hit by a wave of sticker shock, reported Michael Austin. At an as-delivered price of $41,515, the Evo exceeded the starting price of a BMW 335i. The following theme emerged from the logbook: "Everything in the Evo comes at a price," Austin continued, "especially at the gas pump." With its SUV-like EPA rating of 17 mpg in the city and 22 on the highway and a 14.5-gallon fuel tank, we didn't anticipate bladder-busting range, but the Evo continually surprised us with its need for frequent fill-ups. "There are few sedans that can match the performance of the Lancer Evolution," he concluded. As is often the case, however, numbers aren't everything. Without a regular opportunity to take advantage of all of the Evo's capability, the compromises that come with its performance left us wishing for a lower sticker price, more refinement, or both. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X Concept Final. Tire, wheel, automotive design, product, vehicle, headlamp, car, rim, automotive lighting, automotive tire, Pinterest. With Mitsubishi long gone from WRC competition, the sport compact craze waning, and the Evo itself growing only more expensive, sales sagged as the second decade of the 21st century wore on. By 2014, the writing was on the wall. the Evo as we've known is doomed. But at least it's going out with a 473 HP wallop in the form of the concept final. What's next for the Evo? Likely a crossover version based on the next-generation Outlander Sport, as powerful and capable as such a model might turn out to be. It just won't be the same, will it? 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution Final Edition. Tire, wheel, automotive design, vehicle, automotive tail and brake light, automotive lighting, alloy wheel, automotive tire, rim, car, Pinterest. The manufacturer, just wait, the final concept was merely a sputter before the final edition production car was announced as the Evo sedan's true death rattle here in the States. Only 1,600 units will be shipped to the US, each one equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and packing 12 extra horsepower for 303 total. Mitsubishi also fitted the final edition models with Bilstein shocks, Eibach springs, Brembo front brake rotors, dark finished Anki wheels, and a black painted roof. Once they're gone, the Evo as we know it is dead. So don't forget to comment on the video below. What do you think is the best car to share with others? Don't forget to subscribe to us. If you want videos like this, please share them.